Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges, taking a look at a market that is finally showing at least some signs of movement, signs of volatility. VIX poked its head above 12 today for the first time in a while. We're seeing the market come down sharply today. This might be the first month since Trump's election a year ago where we might have a down month in stocks. Certainly probably overdue given not only the price action but valuation. Taking a look at some call spreads I like to sell. I do favor that trade structure, selling out of the money call spreads, simply positioning that this rally probably will at least cool off for a while. Names I like doing that on: Tesla. I think that 320 level is an area of big time support. Broke, I think you'll have trouble getting the faith back here, so I'm going out to December, selling the 320, 325 call spread, just looking for that stock to have trouble breaking out again to the upside, given the bad news on earnings, given the fact that the momentum has been broken. Another name I like selling call spreads on: NVIDIA. Here's another one that's been a darling of certainly everyone. Kind of broke down here, so positioning out again in December, the 240, 245 call spread. Plenty of upside there, plenty of nice premium given the fact that the VIX is higher. Also taking a look at Roku, I'm just flat out going out and buying some puts here. This stock has gone absolutely hyperbolic on the charts. I'm looking for a bad hair day somewhere along the way in Roku here, just buying some slightly out of the money puts. They're expensive, so my position size necessarily smaller, especially given the volatility on this stock. And then finally seeing some big time call buying action in Baxter. Saw Jan 65 calls, 12,000 traded last week. We saw several thousand so far again this week. More importantly, we've seen the stock come down $1. These Jan 65 calls, because of that big call buyer out there, actually going up in price. I like that combination. Buying stock cheaper, selling calls more expensive, slightly overselling the calls, but still putting on a net bullish position here. Just looking to capture that implied volatility, which had moved from about 15 to over 22. So some big time IV pop here. So otherwise, I think caution warranted going forward, certainly from now until probably the end of the month. Once December hits, we may see that Santa Claus rally take hold. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.